a very, very big happy Tuesday to every single one of you that is watching. My name is Ms. Drew. I am your hostess with the mostest, and you, of course, are watching MX Breaks. Now, here is where I give you all of the entertainment and lifestyle news hot off the press. Remember where you heard it first? If you didn't hear it from Ms. Drew, it is not true. Now, today, in the next 5 minutes, I am about to tell you about Shatta Michy, who has been talking about why she broke up with Shatta Wale. And MOG Music has released his new gospel single, dubbed Redeemed. And also, Davido, yes again, back in the news, he has been casted in the movie of Coming to America. Now, let's start with gospel. Now, after winning the Best Male Vocalist of the Year in the 2020 Vodafone Ghana Music Awards, the VGMAs, gospel musician MOG Music has released his new single, dubbed Redeemed. Now, the song talks about the redemption power of God. In the song, MOG talks about the mercy of God and how Jesus took away the sins of the world and died in our place. That is just amazing. Now, this is a must to have in your gospel list. Remember, you need a little bit of God to help you go through every single day. Now, let's talk about Shatta Michy. She has debunked the claims that she broke up with Shatta Wale because of infidelity. Remember I told you guys, don't believe the lies. According to Michy, their breakup was based on a mutual agreement, adding that her purpose in Shatta Wale's life was achieved. Her purpose achieved? Well, she recalled how she broke how broke Shatta Wale was when they met, but she said that she was attracted to his determination to achieve his vision. Now, though the two have dated for 8 years, Michy insisted that there is no chance of them getting back together. Now, let's talk about what's trending. Big Brother Niger. To my Ozone fans hoping for a relationship between Ozo and Nengi, unfortunately, Ozo decided to give up on his love interest for her. Oh my God. Now, well, I mean, you can't blame him because, Nengi has on several occasions turned him down. In an interesting turn of events, Nengi secured a spot in the finale after she won the Head of House challenge. And the two lovebirds, Neo V, smartly escaped nomination for eviction this week. So, Nengi, V and Neo are all finalists for Big Brother 2020. However, Lakon, Trick T, Dorothy, and Ozo have been nominated for eviction. I don't know who you are rooting for, but we will definitely keep you updated. Meanwhile, the Barbadian singer, Rihanna, has put up an 8-bedroom luxury mansion in London for a huge sum of 32 million euros, which is about 220 million Ghana cedis. Guys, the mansion has been the home of the Umbrella singer since 2018. Yes, she was living in London, and you guys didn't know. It was reported that Rihanna rented the mansion for 18,000 euros per week, but it is finally on the market for sale. Now, the white-coloured mansion was reportedly built by acclaimed builder William Home in 1844. The mansion has multiple reception rooms like family rooms, formal and casual and dining rooms and a study and a large kitchen and an 8 large bedroom including a gym room. Yo, guys, if you have got the cash and you want a house in London, that is definitely the house for you. Now, let's talk about the Kardashians. I know we spoke about them last week, but Kim Kardashian West has been receiving some backlash over her maternity skims. Now, her shapewear line, Skims, launched a maternity shapewear collection promoting comfort and support for the changing body during and after pregnancy. Now, the interest is divided, with some saying that shapewear for pregnant women is unnecessary. Some say it's actually a risk, while others claim it's what they've all been waiting for. All the time, everyone has something to say. I mean, you just can't please everyone. Several people, including Chrissy Teigen, came out to support the line, while others branded it as body shaming. Now, let's go to the world of movies. Coming to America. Yes, you guys all know it is a world world well-known American romantic comedy filled with eccentric flair and great jokes, starring actor and comedian Eddie Murphy. Now, the 2 hour long movie, which came out in 1988, has brought joy to many homes, including mine. So many private jokes. Now, the interesting part is Davido, yes, Davido, has announced that he is going to be part of the cast in the 2020 sequel, Coming to America. Okay, now this news caught fans by surprise, but it's just another good reason to watch it when it comes out. I actually also can't wait. Never seen Davido acting. I didn't even know he knew how to act. But let's go to our lifestyle tip for today, one of my favorite tips. Now today we have got 3 fashion secrets. Yeah, secrets. If you didn't hear from Miss Drew, it ain't true. The ladies in the British royal family, they always look so put together with their, hairnets, heels, and skirts. Now, here's the secret. Often, we the ladies have to be, all out in the weather instead of dealing with messy hair. A quick updo and an invisible hairnet is what helps keep your hair stay together. Also, oversized heels are a perfect way to prevent blisters and accommodate swollen feet. I know, we be standing and walking in our heels for hours, but it becomes a little more easier when your shoes are just a little bit more bigger. And the swing. You're outside and the wind is blowing. Now, to prevent the swinging of your skirt when you are outside, I found out that all you needed to do is just sew little weights along the hems of the skirt to prevent the wind from blowing everything away. Now, maybe, a few coins, 1p, 50 pesos on the edges of your skirt, and voila. When the wind is blowing, it has no competition. My lovelies, that is it for today. It's always been a pleasure. My name is Ms. Drew. My hair, I know you like it, from Chriselle Spa in East Legon, and my dress from Dress Up Luxury. Check them out. Follow me on Instagram, MZDRU_ for more details, and of course, for my picture of the day. See you tomorrow, guys. Mwah!